Hello, welcome back to my channel, DIY with Aurea. If this is your first time stopping by, I hope you consider subscribing. Don't forget that notification button so like that you won't miss none of my future videos. Let's start with DIY number 1. I have these 2 see-through plates along with 4 cocktail glass. I'm going to be using all 4. Along with this ribbon. This is also from the Dollar Tree. And some of this floral arrangement. It's glittery, gold and silver. I'm going to be cutting it, filling in the glass with some ornaments as well. As you can see here, I already glued both of the glass together. Well, I'm going to cut 2 of these strips. And that's what I'm going to be putting between both of those cocktail glass. And I added the plate. I did that to 2 of them, and I also decorated some candles. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I decorated one of them, because these 2 I did offline. I just didn't want to bore you, but just giving you ideas. These are, you can put the ribbon on top, in the middle, a little bit lower, whatever your taste is. And I'll be decorating this one. So just sit back and enjoy and see how I decorate it. And this is the result of all of these DIYs put together. I hope that you enjoy these videos just like I enjoy making them and bringing them to your home. Just remember, if you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to be part of my channel. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget also to share it with your families and friends. DIY number 2. I have some of these items that were thrifted and some that are from Dollar Tree. We will be using all of these items. And I have this recycled top of a candle. I'm going to, well, as you see, hot glue it to the bottom of the cylinder, which will be eventually the top of our cylinder. I should say this is going to be a cloche. I'm going to take this ribbon and put it right on top of the cloche. I love this ribbon. I think it looks really nice and classy. And then this plate, I'm just going to go ahead and set whatever I feel that looks nice. You guys could put whatever. You could put houses, you could put just Christmas trees, whatever is your preference. I'm putting a snowman, a white tree, and some snowflakes. And this is our first cloche. I hope you like it. Let's go with the second cloche. I have this cylinder that I paid 99 cents. I was so happy when I saw this at Goodwill. I got me like 7 of them. I said that earlier in the video. And I have these tea candle holders. This is from IKEA. And this beautiful tree flocked from Dollar Tree. I'm also going to be putting some fairy lights. I love fairy lights. Fairy lights gives life to everything. So let's go ahead and put some hot glue on the tea candle and glue it right on top to start creating our second cloche. And now let's go ahead and decorate it.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green, but summer's here, but also winter's cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, much
And I'm decorating the third cloche and final. Tell me which one was your favorite, 1, 2, or 3. Leave it in the comment section. And here we are. This is the way it all came together. I hope you enjoy this. Just so you know, I do these DIYs just to give you an idea. You can always put inside of these cloche whatever you desire, whatever looks good for you and whatever your style is. And if this is your first time stopping by, I hope that you consider subscribing. And if you do, make sure to hit that notification button. Like that, YouTube will notify you every time I upload a new video. I want to thank all of you that stuck around until the end of this video. Make sure that you stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Adios.